quick tip, check it out. Look at this volumetric light. This thing is dope. Well, it's not called a volumetric light. It's actually called an acrylic light. If you go ahead and click on lights right there and you go to acrylic light, that's what we're working with right here. And I'm gonna show you how to set this up. All right, so once you got the light in the scene, this is the node right here. So make sure on the node, I'm using disk. You could use quad. That doesn't make a difference. Check it out, quad. There's disk. The other ones suck. You know, this one doesn't do it too good, and tube doesn't work too good, right? So I'm gonna go back to disk. What else is next? Normalize power. Make sure normalize power is checked. Make sure use in post volume is also checked. Okay, once you got that, I just got a normal black body emission connected to it. I switched to it because I like to use black body emissions, right? Because I'm black. Anyways, we come back over here. You can see these God rays are just kicking. That looks so dope. Look at that. Wow, right? But it doesn't look like this. You're gonna have to, if I turn off my post-processing, look, this is what it looks like, okay? So you're gonna click on post-processing. You're gonna scroll down, make sure your bloom and your glare is set to 0. You're gonna scroll down here to post-processing value effects. Click on that. Make sure you check light beams. And then make sure you take this and go 0.1. And then you scroll down to here and make sure this one is 100, okay? And once you do that, boom, look at that. We've got like this volumetric light, which is like, I mean, come on, that is dope right there. There's so many times where I wanted volumetric light and you have to fill the whole scene up with the box and all that. Maybe you don't need to do that. Because if I jump into my camera and then look at my camera, that's all I want. There it is. That's all I need. I don't need to set it up, right? Patrick LeVar, links down in the description for the Discord, Blender Octane Render School. Peace.